Hello everyone, I am so excited to be with you today, diving into one of the most dynamic and impactful tools in the social media marketing world, Instagram Reels. For businesses looking to elevate their brand presence, engage with their target audience, and ultimately drive sales, Instagram Reels offers an unparalleled opportunity to make a mark. Whether you're just starting out or are an experienced marketer, mastering Instagram Reels can transform your business's social media strategy. We all know how important social media has become in our lives. From personal connections to professional relationships, social platforms allow us to share experiences, build communities, and promote ideas. Among all social media platforms, Instagram stands as one of the leaders, with its visually driven design that caters perfectly to businesses looking to connect with users. One feature that stands out in the Instagram ecosystem is Reels. Instagram Reels allows businesses to create engaging, bite-sized video content to entertain, inform, and convert viewers into customers. But what makes Instagram Reels so compelling? Let's break it down. The rise of short-form video content. Short-form video content has experienced a meteoric rise in recent years, thanks in part to platforms like TikTok and Instagram. People crave quick, easily digestible content that provides value without demanding too much time. Reels fit perfectly into this trend, offering businesses the ability to share quick, high-impact videos that can capture attention and inspire action in mere seconds. For example, let's say you run a fitness studio. You can use Instagram Reels to showcase a 30-second workout routine, demonstrate proper form, or provide nutrition tips. These small snippets allow you to showcase your expertise without overwhelming your audience. In the digital age, brevity is powerful, and Instagram Reels lets you deliver your message in a way that fits consumers' time constraints while keeping them engaged. But it's not just about short, quick content. It's about engaging with your audience and keeping them hooked. Instagram Reels provides the perfect platform for this through its immersive and interactive features. Why Instagram Reels is a game changer for businesses. Instagram Reels is not just another video format. It's a tool that has been designed specifically to foster organic growth. Here are some key reasons why businesses should embrace Instagram Reels. Reach beyond your current followers. Reels are given prime real estate on the Explore page. This means that unlike regular posts, which primarily reach your followers, Reels have the potential to be seen by users who aren't yet following you. Instagram's algorithm is designed to promote engaging Reels, which can lead to exponential organic growth for your business. The power of discovery. Instagram's algorithm loves fresh, engaging content. Reels that capture attention with eye-catching visuals or interesting hooks are likely to be shared more widely. The more shares, likes, and comments your reel gets, the higher its visibility on the Explore page. This level of discoverability is what gives Reels a massive advantage over other forms of content on Instagram. Increased engagement. The format of Instagram Reels encourages engagement. With options for users to like, comment, share, and save Reels, businesses have more opportunities to foster interaction with their audience. The more engaged users are with your content, the better your chances of being recommended to a wider audience. Creative expression. Unlike static posts or stories, Reels offer a wide range of creative tools: music, effects, transitions, text overlays, and even augmented reality (AR) filters. These features give businesses the freedom to experiment and showcase their products or services in a fun, creative, and interactive way. This level of creativity helps in building a brand personality that resonates with audiences. Key elements for creating compelling reels. Now that we've covered why Instagram Reels is such a game changer, let's dive into how to create reels that not only grab attention, but also promote your business effectively. Crafting an effective reel requires attention to detail and an understanding of the elements that make video content perform well. 1. Crafting a strong hook. The first few seconds of your reel are the most critical. Studies show that you have approximately 3 seconds to capture someone's attention before they scroll past your video. This is where your hook comes in. Whether it's a bold statement, an interesting visual, or an intriguing question, the goal is to immediately grab the viewer's attention and compel them to keep watching. For example, a fashion brand could start a reel with the statement, "You won't believe what we've got in store this season." In every video, reels are a fantastic way to tell a story, but it's important to remember that you don't need to create an elaborate narrative. A simple, well-structured story can be just as effective. Storytelling is about drawing the audience into an experience that resonates with them. Think of every reel as a mini-story. If you own a skincare brand, for example, you could show the before and after effect of your products on someone's skin, ending with a powerful testimonial from the user. This structure helps build a connection with your audience and reinforces the impact of your product. 3. Visual appeal and composition. Instagram is a highly visual platform, and the quality of your video content plays a significant role in how it's received. When creating reels, make sure the visuals are crisp and clear. Lighting is crucial. Natural light works best for most situations, but if you're shooting indoors, make sure the space is well lit. Stabilize your camera or phone to avoid shaky footage, as smooth videos look more professional. If you're showcasing a product, consider using close-ups to highlight key features or details. 4. Use music and audio effectively. Music is one of the most powerful elements of Instagram Reels. It sets the tone of your video and can evoke emotions in your audience. Whether you're promoting a luxury item or showing a fun behind-the-scenes moment, the right music can make all the difference. Don't just pick any random track. Make sure it aligns with your brand's identity. If your brand is all about high energy, choose fast-paced music. If you're a wellness brand, slower, calming music could work better. In addition to music, Instagram offers a wide array of sound effects and voiceovers that you can incorporate into your reels to further engage your audience. 5. Clear call to action. Every piece of content you create should have a purpose, and reels are no different. Always include a call to action (CTA) at the end of your video. This could be asking viewers to visit your website, follow your page, use a discount code, or share the video with their friends. A CTA gives direction and purpose to your content, guiding your audience on what to do next. Advanced strategies for Instagram Reels. Once you've got the basics down, it's time to start thinking about more advanced strategies to make your reels work harder for you. Let's explore some of these strategies. 1. User-generated content, UGC. User-generated content is one of the most powerful forms of social proof. Encourage your customers to create their own reels featuring your products or services. Not only does this give you more content to share, but it also strengthens your relationship with your audience. Reposting UGC helps you build a community around your brand while demonstrating that real people love your offerings. 2. Incorporate trends and challenges. Instagram Reels thrives on trends and challenges. By participating in these trends, you can increase your visibility and engage with a broader audience. Look out for trending music, hashtags and challenges within your industry, and adapt them to your brand. For example, if there's a viral dance challenge, try incorporating your product into the dance in a way that's relevant to your audience. 3. Cross-promote Reels on other platforms. To maximize the reach of your Reels, don't just post them on Instagram. Share them across your other social media platforms, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and even TikTok. You can also embed Reels in blog posts, email newsletters, and on your website to increase visibility. Measuring success with Instagram Reels. Once you've started creating and sharing Reels, you'll want to measure their success. Instagram offers insights, which provide valuable data about the performance of your Reels. Here are some key metrics to track. Reach. This tells you how many unique accounts have seen your Reel. It's a good measure of how far your content is spreading. Engagement rate. This includes likes, comments, shares, and saves. High engagement indicates that your audience is connecting with your content. Shares and saves. Shares indicate how likely people are to spread your content, while saves show that your content is considered valuable enough to return to later. Click-through rate, CTR. If you've included links in your bio or captions, the CTR will tell you how many users clicked on your link after viewing the reel. Conclusion: the future of Instagram. Instagram Reels is a highly effective and versatile tool that can take your business to new heights. By creating captivating and strategic content, you can engage your audience, increase brand visibility, and drive growth in ways that weren't possible before. Whether you're showcasing your products, telling your brand story, or joining a viral trend, Reels offers endless opportunities for creating today. Now, armed with these strategies, tips, and insights, it's time for you to create your own Instagram Reels and watch your business grow.